New at 11, a Twitter battle, the Donald versus SRB. The Republican presidential candidate this morning taking on Baltimore's mayor over Twitter. Just before 9, he posted this, criticizing Mayor Stephanie Rawlings-Blake for supporting Hillary Clinton, alluding to problems in Baltimore and calling her, quote, a joke. About a half hour later, the mayor hit back, attacking Trump for not being able to take criticism. Then the mayor showed up on CNN's Sunday morning talk show as a surrogate for Clinton.
This, the bad week for Trump, the good week for Clinton, that's fine this week, but we're very focused on a grassroots game to get people to the polls. This election matters too much.
Election day is just over 3 months away. Some election watchers argue the general public doesn't start paying attention to the candidates until after Labor Day.